Just finished installing Linux Mint? Congratulations! You've just entered one of the most friendly and beginner-friendly Linux experiences out there. But before you dive in, there are 10 essential things to get the best performance, look, and reliability out of your Linux Mint system. First up, update your system. Even a fresh ISO has a few weeks of updates waiting. Open the Update Manager from the menu, click Refresh, and then install updates. Easy. If you like to use the terminal, just run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. Mint's Update Manager uses a safety level system, meaning it checks that updates are tested and stable before pushing them out. Next, check your drivers. Especially if you're using NVIDIA graphics, Broadcom Wi-Fi, or newer AMD hardware. Head into Driver Manager from the Applications menu. Mint will automatically search for proprietary drivers. Select them and apply changes and reboot. With NVIDIA laptops, you can even choose between hybrid and full GPU mode for better battery life or performance. Before you tweak anything, let's protect that system. Linux Mint ships with Timeshift. It makes snapshots of your system files so you can roll back if an update or configuration goes wrong. Choose RSYNC by default. Schedule weekly backups and store them on a separate drive if you can. Remember, Timeshift protects your system, not your personal files. Now, make Mint yours. Open themes and experiment with borders, icons, controls. Try the built-in dark mode or add new themes with the Add Remove button. You can even add applets like System Monitor, Weather, or Media Controls. Desklets right on your desktop. If you want to go deep on customization, check out my Customize Cinnamon Like a Pro video coming up. Mint comes with solid defaults, but you'll definitely want to add your favorites. For browsers, try Brave, Firefox, or Vivaldi. For productivity, OnlyOffice or VS Code. For media, VLC and GIMP are must-haves. And here's the nice part. Mint supports Flatpaks right out of the box, which means you can easily get the newest app releases from FlatHub. Next, turn on your firewall. Mint comes with UFW, the uncomplicated firewall, already installed. Open firewall configuration from your menu, click Enable, and you're done. You'll hardly notice it's there, but it's an important background layer of protection. Let's make Mint a little bit faster. Open startup applications and disable anything you don't need. In System Settings, Effects, turn off heavy animations. You can also use System Monitor to see what's eating memory. Mint is light, but every bit helps. Now that we have Timeshift, take a minute to automate your backups. You can set it to run daily snapshots and delete old ones automatically. If you install big updates often, this habit can save you from serious headaches. For your personal files, set up syncing, Nextcloud, SyncThing, Dropbox, or even Google Drive using rclone. This keeps your important stuff mirrored between machines, and it's a great way to stay distro hop safe. And finally, plug into the community. Linux Mint has one of the friendliest user bases in all of Linux. If you ever get stuck, don't spend hours frustrated. Just ask. Someone's been there before and they'll help out. And that's it. 10 simple steps to make your Linux install faster, safer, and truly yours. If you found this helpful, give a like. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more Linux Mint tips. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.